everyone. My name is Miss Shashi Sangwan. Welcome back to online classes. Before revising AN and AT sound words, let's have a fun with rhyme. The name of the rhyme is Three Ducks. Watch the ducks and you will see they are waddling 1, 2, 3. First the smallest leads the line. Middle side duck thinks second place is fine. Biggest duck is third. You see, they are waddling 1, 2, 3. Hope you enjoyed the rhyme. Now let's have a reading with AT and AN sound. So first we are going to read AT sound word. So here you are. R at a rat. R at a rat. And the next one is mat. M at a mat. Next is B at a bat. B at a bat. Next is K at a cat. C-A-T, cat. And the next one is F at a fat. Now, and sound word. So, the first one is M and a man. M and a man. Next is F and a fan. F and a fan. And the next is P and a pan. P and a pan. And the next one is V and a van. V-A-N, van. Like this, you have to revise the AT and AN sound words. See you again. Bye-bye for now.